Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for July 13th through the 19th. And the creative inspiration for this week's spread is going to be National Ice Cream Day, which is July 19th. And when I was researching that, fun fact, discovered that National Ice Cream Day was started by Ronald Reagan in 1984. He said he wanted a day to commemorate one of America's favorite dessert treats, but it also happened to be a shout out to the dairy industry. So, you know, no surprise there. And I thought, well, since I have ice cream stickers, why not do an ice cream summer inspired spread? I'm doing what I always do first here and laying down some washi tape. What's your guys' favorite flavor of ice cream? I am a chocolate girl. Right now I think in the freezer we have the Ben & Jerry's fudge brownie, but with almond milk. My husband tries to avoid dairy, milk dairy, and so we picked up this ice cream that has almond milk, and I was surprised. It tastes quite good. I think the sweetness of the almond milk really complements the flavor of the ice cream. But I remember going to Baskin & Robbins as a kid, and I would often get the cups rather than the cones because I could never quite finish a whole cone, plus it was less messy. Okay, so we got our washi down. Now for my big quote sticker over here, I think I'm gonna go with this Summer Lovin'. And then I pulled these pages. I don't remember which book they're from, but they had quite a few summer inspired stickers. Summer vibes. The little flamingo. And then I've got this guy over here, kind of that same shade of green, with the flamingo again. I think I'll put it here, and then I'll find something to cover up that notes. Now we can do, I don't really want to cover up that summer vibes. Let's see if we can angle it between. Yeah, there you go. I like that. Kind of adds some dimension to the fronds, palm fronds, and that sticker. And then we'll put the other one over here. I love that these stickers come up off the paper relatively easy. Come on. There we go. Yay, okay, cute. Put down some more decorative items here. Endless Summer. Just looking through here for some more cute decorative stickers. These are all kind of accents. Need some more boxes. This is kind of cute. I think what I'll do is I'll take this one. But then I've got, what I'll do is this one here, this one here. And I had a couple of shorter, kind of leave the flamingo peeking out there. checklist there. And we can put a checklist here. Actually, we'll put one down here. I don't really want to use these because they have gold accents. Let's see. Let's do this. And I can write National Ice Cream Day right there. I can put my weekend to-dos here. Friday can go here, here. Thursday I can write my to-dos here. Wednesday I can put my to-dos here. Tuesday will go here, and Monday will go here. So let's just start filling this in with some decorative accents. And because this is an ice cream inspired spread, I'm gonna add more ice cream cones. It's kind of like the Where's Waldo of ice creams. Can you find all the ice creams in the layout? Okay, I think that's good. And then, let's see. I've got some summer fun in the sun. These are the days. Do a couple headers here. Remember today, stay cool. Will that cover? Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. It's right next to the little ice cream. And that's it for that one. Let's see, do we have any here? Sunny day. Fun in the sun. With another little ice cream. Keeping with the flamingo theme. Summer flamingos. I just think these are really cute. Put those up there. I think I'm coming to the end here. Sunshine and fun times. Relax. I don't know about y'all, but I haven't been doing a whole lot of relaxing this summer. Somehow the days seem to be just passing by faster than ever. What about for you guys? How's your summer been going? Do you find yourself being more productive or less productive? Normal amount? Okay, so I think this is going to be it. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.